Hi, in this video we will learn how to simplify a linear equation when there is variable on both sides of the equation, right? Let us take this example. X upon 2 minus 2 upon 3 is equal to x upon 4 minus 2 upon 5. In this example, we will solve a linear equation that has fractions and variables on both sides. Don't worry, we will break it down step by step. Step 1 is to identify all denominators, right? We need to remove all the denominators from both sides of the equation. Let us look at all the denominators in the equation. On the LHS we have 2 and 3, and on the RHS we have 4 and 5, right? We need to remove these fractions to make it easier to solve. To do that, we will multiply the entire equation by the LCM of 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, LCM of 2, 3, 4 and 5 is 60. Okay, so we will multiply each term on both sides of the equation by 60. So here we have second step, multiply each term by 60, right? Let us apply 60 to each term. Here we have 60 multiplied by x upon 2 minus 2 upon 3, and this is equal to 60 multiplied by x upon 4 minus 2 upon 5. Okay, this will become 60 multiplied by x upon 2 minus 60 multiplied by 2 upon 3, and this is equal to 60 multiplied by x upon 4 minus 60 multiplied by 2 upon 5. Okay, now simplify each term. First we will take this term, 60 multiplied by x upon 2. When 60 is divided by 2, we get 30. So 30 multiplied by 2 is 60. So this term is 30x, right? Let us take second term, 60 multiplied by 2 by 3, 2 upon 3. When 60 is divided by 3, we get 20. So the result of this multiplication is 20 multiplied by 2 is 40, right? Let us take third term, this 60 multiplied by x upon 4. When 60 is divided by 4, we get 15. So value of this term is 15x, and when 60 is multiplied by 2 upon 5, we get 12. 12 multiplied by 2 is 24. Okay, so now the equation becomes 30x minus 40. This is equal to 15x minus 24. Okay, we have seen so far. Now step 3 is move variables to one side, right? Let us bring all variable terms to the left side and constants to the right side. Subtract 15x from both the sides. We will have 30x minus 15x minus 40 on the left hand side, and on the RHS we have 15x minus 15x minus 24, right? This 15x and 15x will cancel each other, and this simplifies to 30x minus 15x is 15x minus 40 is equal to, on the RHS we have minus 24. Okay, now step 4 is to move constant to the other side. Now add 40 to both sides, right? On the LHS we have 15x minus 40. I am adding 40 here to the LHS, and this is equal to minus 24 plus 40, right? This simplifies to 15x. This is equal to 40 minus 24 is 16. Okay, now step 5 is solve for x. We need to find out the value of x, right? So divide both sides by 15. Here we have 15x on LHS. I will divide it by 15. Similarly, on the RHS also I will divide it by 15, right? So this 15 and 15 will cancel each other, and what we have is x is equal to 16 upon 15, and that is the final answer. Okay, let us quickly recap. First, we removed the fractions by multiplying both sides with the LCM, right? Then we moved variables to one side and constants to the other side. And finally, we solved by dividing both the sides. And in this case, we found the solution, that is x is equal to 16 by 15, right? So keep practicing and you will master it in no time. In my next video, I will bring more such examples. Thanks for watching.